गोंयांत 400 नोंदणीकृत स्टार्टअप्स आसात. तातूंतले 1000 स्टार्टअप 4000 लोकांक सेवा दिता. बारीक युरोपियन देशांच्या तुळेन गोंयची ही संख्या चड आसा. तातूंतले 50% स्टार्टअप आदारातिथ्य, अन्न आनी पेय ह्या क्षेत्रांत योगदान दिता. अटल इनोव्हेशन मिशनाचो संचालक डॉ. चिंतन वैष्णवान ही म्हायती दिल्या. G20 परिशदेच्या अंतर्गत गोंयांत स्टार्टअप 20 ही कार्यावळ सुरू जाल्या. स्टार्टअप 20 अंतर्गत जावपी कार्यावळींत गोंयचे स्टार्टअप्स भोव प्रमाणांत वांटेकार जातले, अशें डॉ. वैष्णवान सांगलें.
So Goa has about 400 registered startups. Which means, as I don't know if you were there when they were there when I mentioned.
I want to be more brief about it.
Yes. This means 400 startups for 15.7 lakh people. That is one startup in 4,000 people. If you go to European nations, smaller European nations, that's the rate of startups there. Like if you go to the startup nation of the world, Israel, for example, one startup at 1,400. But if you go to France or Germany, or one startup in anywhere between 2,000 to 4,000 types. So that's the rate that we're talking about. Now the nature of startups may be different. Your third question was, what are the sectors, right? So what I see is that, so I was looking at Atal Innovation Mission's data for Goa. 50% of the registered startups in Goa in that data were hospitality, food and beverages sector, which I think is a strength because Goa is demonstrating to other smaller states as to how this is uniquely a Goa startup ecosystem. They don't really need to go copy somebody else. This is Goa. This is what we do the best. And so I think that's really very promising. Within Startup 20, your fourth question, there are two things happening. This afternoon, there will be Startup 20X talks. There are 5 talks featured. 2 of them are Goa, 2 of those 5 startups. Second, there's a startup showcase downstairs with 40 plus startups. But 1/4 or more are Goa startups.